Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from BITS S1G2. We will present to you about our mini project, which is cafe menu system. Our mini project is called the cafe menu system. This system allows user to view the menu, place order, cancel, and check order status. Admin can manage menu items and track all the custom orders. Cashier can unqueue the custom order, see the customer order and everything. We use a linked list to store menu items so that they can be added or removed easily. Queue is used to handle custom orders in the order when they were placed. Stack store cancel order, where the last cancel order is on top. A tree helps organize the menu by the category like coffee, non-coffee and snacks. To make the system more efficient, we include a searching and sorting algorithm to find items quickly and arrange them by name or price. We use classes and objects to structure our code neatly and templates to handle different data types in a flexible way. But before we continue to our demonstration of project, I will introduce to you our group member first. So we have Nur Aiman Hakimi bin Nazaruddin. He basically do for our user cashier and admin sign in, order queue system, load menu and save menu for the file, handle cancel order, and he did duplicate checking for all of the code. The next one is we have one Nur Inshira binti Wan Muhammad Ali. She helped in create cafe menu system, link list menu items, binary search tree for sorted display, handle user registration and login system. And the last one is me, Tengku Nur Azim binti Tengku Shamsuddin. I do the part for add, edit and delete menu item, undo, implement insert menu, edit menu, delete menu and undo menu, and also design menu system. So the next one we will go to Aiman for to show the demonstration.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aiman Hakimi bin Nazaruddin, and I'm from S1G2. And this part, I will demonstrate the program for our project. So the first one, we will show out the menu loader from file when we run the file. And we have the four options. The first one is to register as user. Second one is cashier, and third one is admin. So the normal people can register based on user only. So we put the name, Hajimi 3. So that's a registration equal. So we can use use option one first for the user. We take the username. So the first one we can do is view the menu. So it have a already have the menu that we we insert first. So we have 7 menu right now. So carrot cake, latte americano, brownies, and so it can also view by the sorting by the category for the cake. Brownies, maintain. Okay. So the main one for the user is to place the order. So we can enter any name for us to call Jimmy. So we want to add Americano first. Quantity one. No. Yes. And we also want something to eat, right? From this one. No. Okay. If you're done with the order, you can choose N and it will calculate. Then the total will be 50 ringgit. So next one, if you want to order for your friends in the evening by using your account also can. So you can call any name like Man. So you also can put space latte for example. Hmm, and no, will it will show up the price. So that's for the user. So we go to the exit. So we go to the cashier. So cashier have a default username and password. So it's cashier 123. Okay, so user also have the function to view the menu, and it has a special function which is order view the order that already met by the customer. So this one, it has order from Jimmy, Americano, Jimmy, Brownies, Man, Spaghetti. So it start from the up to the bottom. So for the function number three is to queue the order to serve for the customer. Alright. So if you want to serve the customer, you can choose the option three. It will take you one by one from the first and use FIFO first order, first in, like first out. So so it's first order for Jimmy. So if you see again to the view order queue, you'll have Jimmy one more thing and Man also have one order. So like we want to, if the Jimmy want to cancel some order, we can use the number four to cancel the order. So Jimmy will come to the cashier and cashier will cancel the order. So you can cancel order for Jimmy and we can see the queue will remain the only Man order which is Spanish latte. So if you want to decrease the Man order, if your order already finished, we decrease. So we can also see the all order history. So we will show up the Jimmy, and Man from the bottom. So like the Jimmy brownies already cancelled. So if you want to calculate the for the easier the cashier, you have the view cancel order. So you can calculate the report of the day. So Jimmy have one brownies that already cancelled. So it can help the cashier to calculate. So also have the use of the menu like usual, and we go to function admin. So have default username and password. So it have view menu. And the special one for the admin is you can insert the menu item. You want to add a matcha latte, and price will be 50. And category is weekly. And new category. So the discount for the new item will be say 50%. So you know, you can see. You can see the menu, new menu. This matcha latte, category tea, price 50 ringgit, discount 50. The price will be 70 ringgit, 7 ringgit 50 cents. So if you want to edit also can. If you want to edit the matcha latte, okay, the promo is already end. So you want to get 50 ringgit and tea, same one. And you want to zero the discount. And open to see here matcha latte, the discounted price with no discounted price is the same, 50 ringgit. So if you want to delete the menu also can. Like I want to delete the brownies one. The brownies, delete. You see, brownies is not there already. And if you want to undo the delete, we still can, but until the program is not closed yet, so we can choose number five. Windows S1G2 brownies is stop. So yes, already have that brownies. So we have also option to manually save the menu if you want to secure after any. But if you don't want to use the option number six also okay. You just exit like usual and it will automatic menu save to the file. So that's all from my end. Thank you.
This is execution and user interface.
In our project, we use a class template called Cafe Menu System T, which encapsulates all the operations for managing the cafe. We apply object-oriented concepts like encapsulation, modular design, and data abstraction. We also create objects like menu item, order, node, entry node to represent data in a real-world manner.
Now for the searching part, when we add or edit menu item, we use the search item function to check either the item is already exists. This function canvas the linked list and compare item name. This helps to avoid duplicate entries and data integrity.
For sorting, we sort our menu by category using a binary search tree (BST). Each time a new menu item is added, it is inserted into the tree using insert BST. We display the sorted output using in-order traversal with in-order, which helps present the menu in a neat and logical order.
In binary tree, we use the binary search tree organize item by category. If the two items have the same category, it has to sort item by name. We use display sorted menu to display the sorted menu. So the code is cout sorted menu by category. T last category. T is the data type. In order, tree root, comma last category.
The next one is stack. We use a stack to implement the undo function. When admin deletes a menu item, that item is pushed into a stack. If the admin chooses to undo, the item is popped back into the linked list. This is a great example of last in first out in action.
We're using queue for order system. When the user place order, we will store them in a queue to maintain order service. We're using view order function. For the queue order, this is for the cashier to serve order by decreasing them from the front. For a view cancel, cashier can cancel order from the first order and move to the cancel step.
Next is linked list. All menu items are stored in a singly linked list. We use linked list operations to insert, edit, delete, and traverse the menu. This allows dynamic memory usage and flexible modification of the menu data.
For template, we use template classes for make our system more flexible. So instead of fixing the data type, we use the template type name T so it can accept different types like string for names and categories.
Last one is file handling. We load and save the menu using file input or output. The menu items are read from a file during startup. Using load menu and save using save menu. User registration is also handled using files with users.txt. This ensures that data is persistent and not lost after closing the program. So that's all from us. Thank you.